Oh tout prépare boneless skin less chicken tig. Boneless en skin less chicken tig are a form of protein cambe cooked in an bay of way. The chicken tig acu of meat a de e intent to dry out like a chicken breast. If you remove the skin, your let with a chicken tig a about 130 calories en only 7 grammes, 0.25 oz, of fat. Boneless, skinless chicken quand je ne rallie bout à most grocery store. Torrar several way to prepare boneless, skinless chicken breast, such frying, grilling, or baking. Baking your boneless skinless chicken. Preheat your oven to 375 degrés Fahrenheit, 190 degrés C. Heat perfect temperature for chicken to bake a, keeping the chicken juicy with to drying out. Make sure that your oven is cleared out of an hypo pan you might have stored inside. You might also want to wipe out the oven so that remnant from past melt don't contaminate the chicken. Tandoorist chicken. Place the chicken underneath a piece of plastic wrap. Use a small mallet, metal or wood, and gently pound chicken tig. Make sure that of the tig of equal thickness, around 2 inch 3-4 inch. It will not only make your chicken more tender, but will allow you to cook the chicken evenly. Brine the chicken. It a process which make your chicken moist and juicy. Fill a medium sized bowl with warm, no hot, water. Stir in a pinch of salt. Let the chicken sit in the brine for 15 minutes. It will draw in moisture into the chicken tig. 1. Prépare the pan. Jet out a large nook baking pan to fill all of the chicken tig you plan to cook. Add 2 tablespoons, 29.6 ml, of olive oil or butter to the pan. Spread it out evenly, so that your chicken will not stick to the pan. It will get your chicken brown and crispy. 2. Get your chicken ready to be baked. Take your chicken out of the brine. Brush the chicken with a olive oil or butter. Use your hands and press into the of the chicken and seasoning you would like. Some popular combination are lemon pepper, barbecue, or garlic herb. 3. Finalize your chicken dish. Put the chicken in the pan lasted with olive oil or butter. Tuck in herb and lemon veg next to the chicken tig if you like. This will add an extra layer of flavor to your dish. 4. Fry your chicken dish. You have 2 options. On it ouvra attentir dish in tinfoil. Make sure that tinfoil wrap around the edge of the pan, en y secure. Toute option it ouvra in parchment papier. If you use the option, place the piece of parchment papier inside of the dish, directly on top of the chicken. You can either go along with the baking, or place it directly in the refrigerator to cook later on. 5. Bake your chicken. Place the pan into the oven. Close the oven and set your kitchen timer for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes up, take your chicken out and rush your chicken with an hot layer of oil or butter. Add in an extra spice you want to in this step. Place the chicken back in the oven for an hot 10 to 15 minutes. Frying your boneless skinless chicken. Preheat stove to medium heat. Jet out a large frying pan en place it on the stove top. Fill the pan with un bar oblique 2 inch, 1.3 cm, of oil or butter. The frying pan should be at least an inch tall so that it can hold oil. Make sure that you are using the correct burner. 6, 7. Tandoorist chicken. Place a piece of plastic over the chicken. Use a small mallet metal or wooden, and gently pound me. Dotty until you get the chicken to about 2 inch thick. A of the piece of chicken should be the same size thick. It will help your chicken cook evenly, and make it easier to share. 8, 9. Brine the chicken. Fill a bowl with warm, no hot, water. Mix in a pinch of salt until it dissolve. Place your chicken tig in for 15 minutes. Your meat will soak in moisture, and become more juicy and tender. 10. Season your meat. You should sprinkle your meat with salt and pepper. You can also add some lemon zest and bar oblique or garlic powder to your taste bud. Tezouil lock int moisture of the chicken, 11. Crête en egg mixture. Bit of egg in a bowl big en to fi a chicken tig. Deep a piece of chicken and tot bit an egg. Mac sur to cat bot seed, 12. Deep your chicken in a flour. The flour will act a coating, cretigna crispy skin after you fry it. Pour some flour onto a plate, en flattened flour. Deep your chicken and tot flour. Flip the chicken over to cat tot seed. Use your onto filling up with extra flour, 13. Add chicken to your hot pan. First turn on the stove to medium heat. Add your chicken breast on a time, until your pan is full. Turn on your kitchen time for 1 minute. When minute is up, flip your chicken. Set your time for another minute. Your chicken to start appearing golden brown in color, 14, 15. Simmer your chicken. After the last minute is up, flip your chicken again. Clan a lid onto your pan. Reduce it to low, and set your kitchen time for 10 minutes. When the time go off, turn off your stove. Let chicken cook for another 10 minutes. À no point should you remove the lid,